subscriber, this is Kapil Subba here once again. Today I'm going to teach you how you can solder any electronic products in your home. Okay, I will be teaching how to do soldering at your home without paying any kind of money to any kind of mobile repairing shop or any kind of electronic repairing shop. Okay, just simply follow my tips. Thank you my friends and followers. Okay, now you can check, you can see my iron, okay, soldering iron which is being heated with the help of electricity. Okay, now I've been connected, so it's being lighted over here. Okay, I guess so it has been heated so awesomely. Okay, properly. Okay, first of all you need to heat your soldering wire with the help of your iron in this way. Okay, now you can see, check out this. This is soldering this is soldering fluid. Okay, now you can see this, it's okay. Now I will solder this wire, okay, with the help of soldering iron. Okay, now I'm going to teach you. First of all, do in this way. Okay, take a little bit, solder, and just put it in a little manner. Okay, in this way, properly do it. You have to do it properly. You can check simply a little more. This is a wire which is used in a soldering iron. Okay, there is a wire. You can check the result right in front of you. Okay, you can simply put in this way and leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, I hope I can teach you how to solder with the help of soldering iron, my friends. Okay, and this is a flux which helps you to brighten your solder. Okay, that much. Thank you my friends and followers. Hope you enjoy my tutorial and hope you understand how you can solder at your home. Okay, thank you my friends. Hats off.